Hello, my name is Selmar Duin, the dancing handyman. Traveling with my camper through France, with my tools and my dancing shoes. Going from chateau to chateau, doing all kinds of renovation work. I love to dance and to organize dance events. If you like to follow me, please like and subscribe. So it's starting to look very good. I filled it up and sand dusted it once. So now I have to fill it up another time. This all you cannot do it in once. It's very difficult. It's also you cannot do it too thick. But it is very warm here now because the sun is now, it is around 2 o'clock and then the sun is very now on this window. So I first going to paint the windows in the top layer now. And then later I going to do this. So I painted this now second time in the ground paint. So it's starting to look very good. So now I am starting to, the top layers. Fun, very fun. And then it's going to be so beautiful. Okay, let's start. Yeah, and always sun dust in between. So you start with a rough sun dust in the beginning, like 60. Then you go to 80 and then do 100, etc. So that it is finer and then it gets much more smoother and nicer, the paint when you paint. Here I'm starting with the other window, taking the paint off. I did the inside already, only now just the outside. But then you see how bad state it is, because here it is all cracked. And here. So I have to take it all off, but see how thick. It's amazing, but okay. And then yeah, here again, taking it off. So and then you also see how thick it is and that it cracked. That does also mean that the paint was yeah, too thick on. If you do thin layers, it soaks more in the wood and it doesn't crack. So then you can, every 2 years, you give it a light sun dust and paint it thin on again, and then yeah, it can last forever. So now it is a lot of work. I hope that yeah, I have to take the lead off again, the sink, and hope that it is still that it can be saved and that it is not rotten under. So, but yeah, I have to take it off. Well, we continue. So another builder came and he made quite a construction to make the under part. Wow. Yeah, it looks good. Very curious. Nice under. And I painted the windows now 2 times in the ground paint, so we're getting there. I just came out of bed because I forgot to film it. So yeah, I'm very curious how he's going to finish this, because it's quite a construction. And but it looks very good. Yeah, wow, wow, great. Here is the other cat. Yeah. So very sweet. Mm. Ja, en you, eh? Cutie pie. Hmm? Yeah, you cutie pie, you're pretty. You're pretty. Yes. You're pretty. So, there you go. So I painted now for the second time, top layer. So I'm getting there, so I do it now for the third time and see if that is enough, and else I have to do it another time. And then yeah, also the sun dust is going finer and finer every time, that you get a really smooth, nice surface. Okay. So, sandust painting, sandust painting, sandust painting. So now he took the front off and put some wet towels on there. Very interesting. So that's very interesting. I think it is because maybe it will dry too fast. That it slows the drying process a little bit slower. Well, it has to be something like that. But it's very interesting. I keep an eye on it because you never know if I have to do it sometime.